Welcome, future food safety officers. Today, we're diving into the world of minerals, key nutrients that keep our bodies strong and healthy. Minerals are vital for everything from building bones to powering nerves, and understanding them is crucial for your exams and your future career. We'll break down the 10 most important minerals, their roles, and where to find them in everyday foods. This guide is your practical, jargon-free resource to help you connect nutrition science with real-world food safety. Ready to boost your knowledge? Let's get started. Minerals are inorganic elements from the earth, absorbed by plants and passed on to us through food. Our bodies can't make minerals, so we must get them from our diet every day. They're essential for strong bones, fluid balance, energy production, and nerve function. Major minerals like calcium and potassium are needed in larger amounts, while trace minerals like iron and zinc are needed in tiny quantities. But both are vital. Cooking methods can affect mineral content. For example, boiling can cause minerals to leach out. As a food safety officer, knowing which foods supply these nutrients and how to preserve them is key. Promoting nutrient-preserving cooking, like steaming, helps keep food both safe and nutritious. Your expertise ensures the food supply is not just safe, but also supports public health. Calcium is the body's most abundant mineral, making up a significant part of our bones and teeth. It's not just about structure. Calcium is also essential for muscle contraction, helping your heart beat and allowing nerves to send signals throughout the body. Without enough calcium, our bodies can't function at their best, and over time, bones may become weak and brittle. To meet your calcium needs, include foods like dairy products, fortified plant milks, tofu, and leafy greens in your daily meals. These foods are not only rich in calcium, but also provide other nutrients that support overall health. Phosphorus, the second most abundant mineral in the body, works closely with calcium to build and maintain strong bones and teeth. It's also vital for storing and releasing energy, and it plays a key role in forming DNA and cell membranes. You'll find phosphorus in a variety of protein-rich foods, especially meats, as well as in fish, eggs, and dairy products, making it easy to get enough if you eat a balanced diet. Plant-based sources like nuts and whole grains also contribute phosphorus, supporting those who follow vegetarian or vegan diets. Achieving the right balance of calcium and phosphorus is essential for optimal bone health and overall well-being. However, consuming too much phosphorus, especially from processed foods and soft drinks, while not getting enough calcium can upset this balance and weaken bones over time. Children and teens need plenty of calcium and phosphorus for growing bones, while older adults require these minerals to prevent bone loss and fractures. Food safety officers should be aware of phosphate additives in processed foods, as these can contribute to excessive phosphorus intake without providing the benefits of natural sources. Promoting a diet rich in dairy, fish, whole grains, and plenty of vegetables helps people of all ages build and maintain strong, healthy bones for life. Remember, balanced nutrition with the right mix of calcium and phosphorus is the foundation of lifelong skeletal health and vitality. Potassium and sodium are electrolytes, minerals that help control fluid balance, nerve signals, and muscle contractions. Potassium keeps fluid levels stable inside cells and supports a steady heartbeat. It's found in bananas, potatoes, spinach, and tomatoes. Sodium manages fluid outside cells and is necessary in small amounts, but most people get too much from processed foods. High sodium and low potassium can raise blood pressure, increasing heart disease risk. Encourage fresh foods for more potassium and less sodium. Reading nutrition labels helps consumers spot high sodium foods. Salt is a common preservative, so processed foods are often sodium-rich. As a food safety officer, you can guide the public toward healthier choices. Managing this mineral duo supports heart health and overall well-being. Iron is essential for making hemoglobin, which carries oxygen in your blood. Without enough, you risk anemia and fatigue. Heme iron from meat is absorbed best. Non-heme iron from plants is less efficient but improved with vitamin C. Pair beans or spinach with citrus or bell peppers to boost iron absorption. Zinc is another key trace mineral, vital for immunity, wound healing, and cell growth. Meat, shellfish, nuts, and whole grains are good zinc sources. Plant-based zinc and iron are harder to absorb, so variety is important. A balanced diet with both animal and plant foods ensures you get enough of these minerals. Food safety officers should promote diverse diets for energy, immunity, and growth. Magnesium is a major mineral involved in over 300 body processes, including energy production, muscle relaxation, and heart rhythm. It's found in leafy greens, nuts, seeds, whole grains, and even dark chocolate. Many people don't get enough magnesium, leading to cramps and fatigue. Chromium, though needed in tiny amounts, helps insulin regulate blood sugar and energy. Whole grains, broccoli, green beans, and lean meats are good chromium sources. Soil and water affect chromium content in foods, so variety matters. Severe chromium deficiency is rare, but a balanced diet is the best prevention. Both minerals are crucial for efficient metabolism and energy regulation. Iodine is vital for thyroid hormones, which control metabolism and development, especially in children. Iodine deficiency can cause goiter and hypothyroidism. Iodized salt is a simple solution. Seafood, seaweed, dairy, and grains can also provide iodine, depending on where they're grown. Selenium works with iodine for thyroid health and acts as a powerful antioxidant. Brazil nuts, seafood, and meats are top selenium sources, but soil content matters. Both minerals are essential for thyroid function and protecting cells from damage. Food safety officers should understand the importance of these nutrients for public health. Promoting iodized salt and selenium-rich foods helps prevent deficiency and supports metabolism. Let's recap with 10 essential mineral facts, vital knowledge for anyone interested in nutrition, health, or food safety. Minerals are the building blocks that keep our bodies functioning at their best, and understanding them is key to making informed dietary choices. Minerals are inorganic elements that originate from the earth and water. Unlike vitamins, our bodies cannot produce minerals, so we must obtain them from the foods we eat and the water we drink. Calcium is essential for building and maintaining strong bones and teeth. Dairy products like milk and cheese, as well as leafy greens such as spinach and broccoli, are excellent sources. Getting enough calcium early in life can help prevent osteoporosis later on. Iron is crucial for carrying oxygen in our blood. Animal-based sources like red meat and poultry are most easily absorbed, but plant-based sources like spinach are also valuable, especially when paired with vitamin C-rich foods, which boost absorption. Sodium and potassium work together to balance fluids in the body and support healthy blood pressure and heart function. While sodium is often overconsumed, potassium-rich foods like fruits and vegetables help counteract its effects and keep your heart healthy. Magnesium is a metabolic multitasker, involved in over 300 biochemical reactions. It's found in leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and whole grains, and helps with muscle function, nerve signaling, and energy production. Zinc is vital for a strong immune system and wound healing. Meat, shellfish, beans, and lentils are all good sources, making it accessible for both omnivores and vegetarians. Iodine is crucial for thyroid health and hormone production. Using iodized salt in your diet is a simple way to prevent deficiency, which can lead to thyroid disorders. Phosphorus works alongside calcium to build strong bones and teeth, and it's also important for energy storage and release. You'll find it in protein-rich foods like meat, dairy, eggs, and nuts. Selenium acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting cells from damage and supporting thyroid function. Just a few Brazil nuts a week can meet your selenium needs. Chromium helps insulin regulate blood sugar, making it important for energy and metabolism. Whole grains, broccoli, and some meats are good sources of this trace mineral. Understanding these mineral facts empowers you to make better dietary choices and to guide others toward balanced, healthy eating habits. Knowledge is the first step to prevention and wellness. As a food safety officer, this knowledge forms the foundation for promoting public health, ensuring communities have access to safe, nutritious food and helping people thrive. Ready to put your mineral smarts to the test? Let's dive into a quick and fun quiz that will help you remember the essentials for your next exam or just for your own health. First up, what's the main difference between minerals and vitamins? Think about what you've learned so far. Minerals are inorganic elements that come directly from the earth, soil, and water. They're not made by living things, but are absorbed by plants and then passed on to us through food. Vitamins, on the other hand, are organic compounds created by plants and animals. They're essential for many body processes, but their origin is very different from minerals. Next question, which mineral is famous for building strong bones and teeth? That's right, calcium. And why is iron so important for your body? Iron is crucial because it helps carry oxygen in your blood, giving your muscles and organs the energy they need to function. Can you name some of the best food sources of potassium? Hint, they're colorful and often found in the produce aisle. Bananas and spinach are top choices, but potatoes, avocados, and beans are also packed with potassium. Why should we be careful with sodium? Too much sodium can raise your blood pressure and increase your risk of heart disease. Now, which mineral helps support your immune system? That's zinc. Ever wondered why iodine is added to table salt? It's to prevent iodine deficiency, which can affect your thyroid and overall metabolism. Iodine is vital for healthy hormone production. Name 2 minerals that are essential for muscle function. If you said calcium and magnesium, you're correct. Both help your muscles contract and relax smoothly. Want to boost your absorption of plant-based iron? There's a simple trick. Eat iron-rich foods with vitamin C sources like oranges, bell peppers, or a squeeze of lemon on your salad. This helps your body absorb more iron from plants. Which minerals make up the famous electrolyte duo that keeps your body in balance? Sodium and potassium. They work together to balance fluids, support nerve signals, and keep your muscles working properly, especially during exercise. Use these answers to reinforce your knowledge, boost your confidence, and ace your nutrition exam, or make healthier choices every day. Remember, understanding minerals isn't just about passing a test. It's a key part of food safety, public health, and lifelong wellness.